Coronet Peak Resort provides a good mix of terrain of high-capacity modern lift services. The resort has a few long rolling blue and red trails that will entertain intermediate skiers and some steep and technical terrain for advanced skiers. Beginners are well catered for, and those looking to venture beyond the learning area have some gentle greens and blues to explore.
Coronet Peak is a compact resort with only around 700 skiable acres and receives on average 190 centimeters of snow each year. There is extensive snowmaking, ensuring key trails are kept open, and night skiing for those looking to max out their ski days. The main base area is a large modern building with all required facilities, and there are plenty of parking spaces, although some require a short walk or shuttle ride to get to the lifts.
The two 6-pack express lifts provide express chair service from the base to the summit for intermediate and advanced skiers, while the Meadows Express ensures that beginners are not overlooked. There are limited terrain parks which are utilised for festival events like Snow Machine, so this is a resort suited to intermediate and advanced skiers looking to rinse trails and max their vert stats.
Getting to Coronet Peak is roughly a 25-minute drive from Queenstown or 80 minutes from Wanaka. The road is sealed all the way to the resort, making this one of the easier resorts to access. There are bus and private transfer options from both Queenstown and Wanaka. We'll provide a separate video with more info on this. If you drive, you will need chains as required by resort management. Considering how quickly the weather can change, you may wish to consider using the free shuttle bus at the main gate car park.
The Coronet Peak base area is compact with key services and facilities plus a couple of food options. There is no on-mountain lodging, but there is night skiing a few nights each week if you prefer a late start. There are lockers and rentals at the base along with ski school. The only on-mountain food option is Heidi's Hut, offering Italian food and some Apres vibes. The food hall at the main base is big, and you can also take packed lunches to eat there.
Let's get to the skiing. The layout at Coronet Peak provides a zone of blue, red, and black trails serviced by two 6-seater express chairs, perfect for intermediate and advanced skiers looking to rinse terrain.
For beginners, there's a large learning area near the base with magic carpet lifts. The Meadows Express provides access to the wide, gentle green trail, Bergese, and slightly more challenging blues, Gentle Annie and Fun Zone. It's a compact learning area that separates beginners from other skiers. But beginners with confidence looking to build skills will need to step up to blue trails to join the other skiers on the mountain. Easy Rider provides a wide blue for beginners looking to build skills and prepared to try the Rocky Gully T-Bar. Fun Zone appears to be a relatively small kids' adventure zone, however, due to snow conditions, it was not accessible during our visit.
Coronet Peak has a few long rolling blues for intermediate skiers, M1 and Green Gates being the two main trails, but they can be quite busy. Pro-Am and Wall Street provide some slightly steeper pitches for intermediate skiers looking for a challenge. The hurdle is a short, steep black for those wanting to test their skills and level up their skiing. When conditions are good, Out Wide and Powder Run provide trails away from the crowds that most intermediate skiers should enjoy.
The group of black trails off the Coronet Express provide a zone for advanced skiers away from the main ski crowds, while Ego Alley and Powder Run provide enjoyable trails with varying pitches. When snow conditions permit, there are lots of off-piste or piste-adjacent zones like Mid-Donkey and West Gates for advanced skiers to enjoy, plus a few gullies either side of Lower Walkabout.
Coronet Peak is a compact resort, so it won't take intermediate or advanced skiers long to get familiar with the trails on offer, but there are some enjoyable areas, and the express lifts will help keep your total elevation stats respectable.
A few things to be aware of for Coronet Peak. The resort has extensive snowmaking facilities along most of the main trails, ensuring a decent extent of beginner and intermediate terrain is open. The Coronet Express can be busy along with M1 back down. Moving to Green Gates or Rocky Gully lifts may help get away from the crowds. The road up to the resort is sealed, making access for cars and buses relatively easy. If you aren't driving a four-wheel drive, all-weather tyres and chains are advised. Also note conditions can change quickly, so be prepared to call it early and get off the mountain, or you can get caught in a slow and lengthy drive back to your lodging.
If you have your ticket and gear, parking at the Green Gates lift is a good way to avoid the crowds in the hike to the base.
In our opinion, Coronet Peak is a resort that provides an excellent lift service to the compact terrain available. Beginners have a neat zone to learn the basics and build confidence away from the main ski traffic. The long rolling groomers will entertain intermediate and advanced skiers, while the black trails and piste-adjacent terrain provide more opportunities to build technique.
This resort will suit intermediate and advanced skiers who enjoy rinsing trails and maxing stats. Check out our trail and lift videos to get the most out of your visit to Coronet Peak.